Systems based on biological models. An alternative to the physical symbol systems are the neural networks based on biological models. We will study this topic deeply later. This is just an introduction. A neural network is formed by neurons, process units, and the connections they have with each other have associated some weights. These networks represent the world through these associated weights to every connection. No symbols are needed. Furthermore, the knowledge is distributed through all the network, so it is very difficult to isolate individual concepts in specific areas. Actually, the same network area can represent different concepts. Then, the problems of networks are learning and adaptation, not symbolic representation, and inference, like in physical symbol systems. Neural networks are mechanisms that can adapt to the world, interacting with the world, modifying the weight of their connections. They don't need a symbolic representation. Accordingly, neural networks can be seen as a counterexample of the need of physical symbol system hypothesis. Accordingly to Simon, it must be considered symbols widely, so the connection systems can be included in the physical symbol systems. This is important. Brooks says, "My work fits within the framework described above in terms of situatedness, embodiment, intelligence, and emergence. In particular, I have advocated situatedness, embodiment, and highly reactive architectures with no resonant systems, no manipulable representations, no symbols, and totally decentralized computation. This different model of computation has led to radically different models of thought." So, physical symbol systems hypotheses remain valid. Neural networks can be seen as another knowledge representation mechanism. Simon says, "There is some dispute today about the physical symbol system hypothesis, hanging on the definition of the term symbol. If we define symbol narrowly, so that the basic components in connectionist systems or robots of the sort advocated by Brooks are not regarded as symbols, then the hypothesis is clearly wrong. For systems of this sort exhibit intelligence. If we define symbols, as I have above, as patterns that denote the connectionist systems and Brooks robots qualify as physical symbols systems. Therefore, I will use Newell and Simon point of view. The basic elements of AI will be centered on search and knowledge representation topics. Neural networks will be present as a knowledge representation."